this package for our viewers. Well, in an important development, the Supreme Court has clarified that its order on the auction of natural resource was limited only to the 2G spectrum and not to all natural resources. Here are details in this report.
Expressing its opinion on presidential reference on 2G judgment, the Supreme Court said that auction is not the only way by which natural resources can be allocated. The court said that while allocating natural resources, the government can frame its own policy keeping in view the larger public interest. The Apex Court clarified that in its earlier order, auction was specifically directed in context of 2G spectrum allocation and not mandated to apply universally to all natural resources. It said that the auction route can be used when profit maximization is the aim. The court has, however, not laid down any procedure for the government to follow, saying it is a policy matter for the government to decide in a transparent, just, fair and non-arbitrary manner. The government made the presidential reference under Article 143 of the Constitution after the Apex Court cancelled all 122 2G licenses issued by former Telecom Minister A. Raja in January 2008. The centre had sought answers to 8 questions through the presidential reference, but the court answered only one. The court refused to answer 3 questions as they could have a bearing on the 2G judgment. The centre withdrew 4 queries during the arguments. Earlier this year, in context of the 2G telecom scam, the Supreme Court had said that the natural resources must be auctioned. The February 2nd judgment of a bench of Justice G.S. Singhvi and Justice A.K. Ganguly had laid down auction route for allocation of natural resources. The union government had earlier said that it is not seeking review of the 2G judgment through presidential reference, but was only seeking clarification on certain doubts and law issues that had arisen from the February 2nd judgment. With Siddhant Sibal, Vikas Harthi's report, DD News, New Delhi.